Good day, everybody. This is Mr. John once again from Flickr Brains. Okay, all right, you are back online. So you can see my dashboard. You see that we are still working. Nevertheless, you can see my balance. You can see for those that are still new on this channel, if you go to my past video, I've been dropping updates daily on how my loading has been going. You understand? I drop update daily. So you can see my CPC. You see that my CPC is always high. Even if you check my other videos, you see that high. You can see today we have not done much, just 7 clicks. This is still morning. So we haven't done much on this account yet for today so far. But you can see the impression. You can see that everything is going properly as it's meant to be. So that is it. Now, when it comes to the method I'm using to perform these tricks, is fully automation method. But nevertheless, manual method still works. But the problem with manual method is that manual method cannot give you large number of clicks. You understand? Manual method can't give you that large number of clicks. I'm not talking about the clicks that is on this account because before today end, this clicks is going to increase. If you check my other videos, you see that my clicks are large. My clicks are large. This is just for today's own. So if you notice, you will see that I've been earning money with this. See yesterday so far. You can see the last 7 days. You can see this month. You can even see last payment. You can see balance. You see that this method has been working and is still working. And we today is 8. Let me show you. Today is 8. You can see it's 8. And we still have long days. This month, our target for this account is around $30,000. You understand? $30,000 is our target again. Okay, see the time, no problem. Okay, so if you want to learn this method, and I'll say it again, this method again is not those methods you get online, it's not those scrappy method you find online, it's not those shit. This method is very, very unique, and this strategy is something that you won't even like. Even if you see you will not. I'm telling you that you will not even see ad limits on your account. You will not find ad limit on your account. The method is working perfectly fine, and you receive payment. No form of ban, no form of suspension, all these unnecessary uncomplicated issues. You understand? The method is pure, clean method. It's a very, very neat method that generates money. You understand? So, judging from my previous videos, you've seen that this account I was actually growing it small, small. Even though I didn't start when I started working on this account, I haven't gotten a channel yet. So this account is around 6 years old, I think so. So if your account is a old account and it have received multiple payments, you can also make this earning. Because some of you come to my DM or asking me why is it that some of my students don't make this much. You can't make this much when your account is not doesn't receive constant payment. Let me assume your account normally receive $100. Do you want to tell me that you want to start loading, you load it $30,000 immediately? No, you groom account small, 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 small. You don't rush it. You understand? So even me, I normally tell my students, if you haven't received much payment, forget what you're seeing that I'm earning. You understand? Start small, small from $500 a month. That is if you want that account to last. Start small, small for $500. Be grooming it. If you check from my previous video, you see that this account I was grooming it. See from 18 to 30, and this month I will still go 30. Next month is when I'll now increase to 35. You understand? Small, 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 small. That's how it is. Let me refresh this. Let me refresh this. All right. So you can see for yourself. So if you want to learn this method, once again, I'll tell you, click on the description box below